walk into a supermarket, and as long as I see a Goya beans or Goya products on the shelf, I know I'm home.
Delicious.
Goya is pretty darn great, especially the beans.
All I can tell you is I love the olive oil, and everybody I know uses it. The chorizo is like delicious. It's the best in the market.
Everyone knows that Goya stands for quality.
A lot of those products come from Mexico. That's why they're so good. Cheers. Salud.
Salud. We're very happy that everybody's here. We want to, first of all, welcome and thank all the people from Goya that were able to make it. This is basically a little thank you to you. And also to tell you about some new things going on, some new products. The Caribbean cookbook you'll be receiving tonight. The Mexican cookbook is next, should be coming out in a few months, which will be followed by Central and South American. And then after that, we plan on publishing a full pan-Hispanic, pan-Latino cookbook. Basically, we just wanted to open up Goya to more to the general market and show the non-Hispanic press and media some of the things that we do at Goya, and also being that the greatest chefs in the city are using our products, it makes a lot of sense for people who want to try this at home.
I came up with this menu trying to do something that we could show a real Mexican menu in a high-end Mexican restaurant, but also with things that the general public would be able to use.
So please enjoy yourselves, enjoy the meals.
Thank you. Thank you, and thank you for being here.
Goya offers a lot of products that are very adaptable to this kind of cuisine. They have a lot of nice, nectars and fruit juices and different things that are appropriate, and you can cook fish and different kinds of seafood without a lot of heavy, fattening ingredients.
This Mexican food is really extraordinary. It's incredibly tasty, and I like spicy things, and there was a lot of flavor and spice in this.
The food of Pompano is the food of Mexico City, so it's seafood, it's light, it's healthy.
The new chef here has done a tremendous job. Thank God she uses excellent products.
Thank you. A couple of baskets of Goya products to give away. Susan Goldsmith. Kevin Gallagher. Gina Ragon. Never wins anything. No, I just got that. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
It was just wonderful. Goya, oh Goya, I gained 50 pounds.
Go Goya.